So OB/GYN of Atlanta, I think, is a very unique place. The people that are here, the physicians that are here, are very invested in this practice. We've been very careful over the years to make sure that we're providing a service to our patients that is caring and comprehensive and up to date. We've been very careful when we bring new physicians into this practice. I've been here almost 20 years, and I've been involved in the selection process for a lot of our younger physicians, and we are very careful to choose not only people who are well trained, who are skilled, who've trained at some of the best institutions in the country, but also people that are kind, that are good to patients, that we feel would be, that would take care of our own family members. And I'm very proud of OB/GYN of Atlanta. I'm glad to be part of it.